We are Zoe and Zah. We love to travel and experience new destinations. Today, we are going to show you around Kuala Lumpur. Over the next few videos, we are going to dive straight into this must-visit destination, exploring the culture, class, and of course, the food scene. So here is our first impression of the beautiful capital of Malaysia. Okay, so we are starting our day off here at the signature landmark in Kuala Lumpur. We are at the Patronus Towers, and my oh my, are they tall.
It's huge, like look at that! This used to be the tallest building in the world, but now, according to Google, it is now the 7th. But it's still huge, it doesn't look that tall. Damn, she's tall, man. Okay, so as you can see, there's a bridge connecting the two towers. But the question is, what's inside the Patronus Tower?
I think it's businesses.
Is it?
Yeah, but there is a view deck, but according to Google it's closed today, but I'm not sure if that's true.
Should we check it?
Yeah,
Let's go. We are going to be here in Malaysia for 3 days. Well, only 2 full days because we arrived last night. We didn't get to KL until about 9 o'clock.
And also the reason the trip is slightly shortened because our flight got cancelled and then
we had to rebook it and everything.
Yeah, and it was later than the original flight, so.
But look at this beautiful place. Oh my God.
And at night it lights up, and I can't wait to show you that from our rooftop later. Yeah.
But anyway, we're gonna try and go inside the building. So we don't even know what's actually inside it. I'm not sure if it's a mall, if it's just business place, whatsoever. But there's actually so many people here.
Busy.
It's quite busy, yeah. Alright guys, so we are inside the Patronus Tower and there's actually a mall. So let's show you around. Let's have a little wander, shall we? Just walking around here is so nice. Like, it's super clean. There's not that much people and it's not too noisy. Like normally in the Philippines, in Manila, all the SM malls, there's like loud music and playing just everywhere. But there's like Gucci, Tom Ford, Saint Laurent, Prada, Rolex, everything's here. And look at this. Oh my days. So I think there's like 5 floors, 4 or 5 floors, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I thought the Manila malls were big, but I'm thinking this one looks bigger in terms of height.
And this is just the back of the Patronus Tower.
That's crazy.
Wow. We are now at the back of the tower and there's a huge fountains here. So we're not sure if this is the correct fountain, but apparently at around, is it 7 till 9 p.m? There's a little light show. So we're probably gonna come back here tonight, later tonight, and show you guys.
With like the tower's gonna be all lit up as well, so it will look really, really nice.
Oh, I can't wait.
So Kuala Lumpur and Malaysia have been on my radar for the longest time because my dad actually lived here for 5 years when he was growing up. So throughout my whole life I've always heard various stories about Malaysia and Kuala Lumpur from when he lived here. So I've always been very intrigued to come and see, although I'm sure it looks very different to when he was here because it was quite a long time ago now. But I spoke to him on FaceTime last night and he said that one of the main things he loved when he was here was a sweet bread, but he couldn't remember what it was called. So if any of you guys know what that sweet bread is called that he's talking about, leave a comment down below and hopefully we can go and try it. But yeah, I'm really excited to explore this city for myself. After the stories I've heard, so yeah, I can't wait to explore. So right now we're gonna head back to our condo and hopefully go in the rooftop pool, which has got a view of these towers, but you do have to book it, so hopefully there's availability. So yeah, we'll see you at the pool hopefully. Let's go.
Let's go.
So we have just checked into where we are going to be staying for the next 3 nights in Kuala Lumpur, and let me tell you, I am impressed. This place costs £26 a night, which is about 1,700 pesos, and I think for what you get, it's completely worth it. We are right in the city. We have a rooftop pool with a view of the Patronus Towers, which look insane in the day and even better at night. And yeah, this place is just top-notch value for money compared to if you were in the same location in Manila. This would be way, way more expensive. So yeah, let's show you around because this is worth it. So as you can see, it's a super spacious room. It's almost like a studio actually. So we've got this massive big floor area, a massive bed. I think it's a king.
Yeah, I think it's a king. It's huge.
Yeah, we've got a TV. Is it a smart TV? Oh, it's a smart TV. We got Netflix. Yes. Got a very own desk. We've then got a city view. However, I think we're at the back of the building, so we can't actually see the Patronus Towers from here, but on the other side I think you can. So yeah, we've got a nice city view. Don't know if you can get through. Then coming back this way, we've got some cool storage.
It's
Wardrobe
huge, isn't it? There's so many.
Like you could live a month here. Like
yeah.
It's like.
Look, you've got your iron board. You've got some irons, hair dryer, and everything.
Our very own sink with all like everything you'd need really, all the plates and things, as well as oh, this one's heavy. We've got our microwave, fridge, and loads of space for if you were doing monthly shops and things. We then have a washing machine.
Oh, that's what we need.
We've never had a washing machine in Philippines. Then we have our own sink and like vanity area before we head on into the shower.
Marble. Oh my god, my favourite.
Zara loves a bit of marble. And then the toilet's just the other side of this door. Just looks like a toilet, to be honest. But yeah, this place is super modern and super affordable for what it is, I think.
But you know my favourite thing about this place?
What?
Is imagine just editing there and then the view of the city.
Yeah, I've got to say this is a really pretty city.
Oh my god, this is amazing. So we are at the top of our hotel condo.
We decided to come back to see the tower with the lights on, and oh my gosh, it looks even better.
It's amazing. Like, look at this.
Goody.
Oh, I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. Look at that city view. This is literally one of the best infinity pool I've ever been to. It's crazy. And then you just see the Patronus Tower. Ah, love it. But anyway, we're probably just gonna stay here for a little bit and then we're probably gonna head out and then explore the nightlife here in Malaysia. Alright guys, so we have arrived here at Kuala Lumpur Park, literally just behind the Patronus Tower.
Yeah.
Just like, look, behind us. Patronus Tower. Look how pretty this is.
Yeah, and the fountains are already going, but
Yeah.
I don't think it's the show yet, but they're all different colours.
It's every 30 minutes,
No,
I believe.
every hour.
Every hour?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Starting from 7 till 10.
Yeah. It's currently
5 to.
5 to 8:55 and I think the light show will start at around 9 o'clock. But look how pretty that is. There's so many colours.
And the towers just look insane at night. Even though
Yeah.
we're behind it at the moment, it looks slightly different. There's more lights at the front. It still looks so
look.
cool. Look way.
This way. Wait, keep going. Here we go. Hey. That's so nice. But wow, guys, Kuala Lumpur. We didn't expect you to be this
Already,
beautiful.
Yeah.
Damn.
It doesn't seem like a city because it's so clean and just so colourful and
Yeah.
like vibrant and spread out actually.
It doesn't seem like we're in Asia, to be honest.
No.
It seems
really
like we're
cool.
like near, you know them. I get Kuala Lumpur, the Dubai.
Do you think?
Dubai vibes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Kind of similar to Dubai actually. Not as hot though.
Not as hot, yeah. And the weather here is just perfect. Like, it does rain, but only a little bit. But here's the light show. I think it's about to start. I think it's about to start. Let me show you guys. Oh my god, that light show was amazing.
Yeah. We've had the best first day here in Kuala Lumpur, and I can't wait to explore more. It's actually, I wasn't expecting like it to be how it was. I didn't realise it was such like a clean, user-friendly city.
And everyone is literally so friendly.
Yeah, and I didn't realise as well that you speak a very similar language to Indonesia and
Indonesia,
Singapore. Because I remember we asked the local, we were like, how do you say thank you in Malaysian? And they were like, terima kasih. And we were like, huh,
That's
you say that in
Indonesian,
Bali?
isn't it?
Yeah. So that's really cool. It's super clean. All the skyscrapers, they've made them all look really pretty, like with lights and
It's
things.
super colourful as well.
Yeah. It's just, I wasn't expecting it to be such a nicely laid out city. I'd say it's kind of similar to Singapore, but different in its own way. And you think it's similar to Dubai?
I think it's similar to Dubai, yeah. Because, I don't know. I think it's just a mix of Dubai and Singapore, to be honest.
Yeah.
Because the cleanliness is just crazy. The skyscrapers is amazing.
And super friendly people.
And super friendly people.
So we can't wait to explore more of Kuala Lumpur. We've basically just been getting our feet today and like finding out where everything is.
Leave a comment down below, guys, what we should try here in Malaysia.
Yeah.
And hopefully we can do it, because we're only here for 2 days.
Well, 3.
Well, 3 days.
Should have been 4, but now 3.
But yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed today's vlog. So make
Yeah.
sure to like,
Share.
subscribe,
Leave a comment down below.
press that notification bell on, and enjoy this view.
Yes.
Peace.
See you in the next one.